Just look at how clear it is. I feel like this might distort me a little bit, and I want that to happen. Modeling is an art. Hi everyone, my name is Geena, and I am on the merch team here at FabFitFun. Today I am so excited to be sharing with you 5 of FabFitFun's makeup maintenance favorites from the spring edit sale. For those of you who don't know, FabFitFun has edit sales every season where you can get hundreds of products for up to 70% off. These sales are only open for FabFitFun members, so make sure that you sign up right here. All of the products that I'll be talking about today will be linked below, so check those out and make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all the good things to FabFitFun's YouTube channel. All right, let's get in it. Woo, woo. So first up, when it comes to makeup maintenance, the most important thing is keeping your brushes clean. So here we have Ayla's electronic brush cleaner. Wow. So this is going to keep your makeup brushes cleaned, dried, ready to use in just 25 seconds, which is insane. So this brush cleaner is suitable for all brush types. It actually comes with a bunch of these little rubber holders. So any size brush, super tiny to like big face brushes, are all gonna be able to be cleansed. I'm gonna demo how you use this bad boy. First off, we've got our dirty brush. Ew. You're gonna grab a little holster for it, plop this onto this little wand here, like Harry Potter. Now we've got our nice little wand ready to go. We're gonna take some warm soapy water. I conveniently have some on hand here. Pour it into our little fish bowl, plop our brush in. We're gonna go ahead and press that power button and hold it in there for 10 seconds. All right, so after your 10 seconds spinning in the water, you're gonna go ahead and just turn it off. Lift it slightly out of the water, but keep it contained in the bowl, as I learned recently. Reset. Spin it again for 10 seconds. So now your brush is totally clean and dry, and there you go, ready to use. So this is battery operated. It just requires 2 AAA batteries. Those are not included, but you can go ahead and just load it up so you can take it anywhere. And speaking of, comes with this handy dandy traveling case. No excuses for nasty brushes. All right, next up we have the ohii Magic Hour Shadow Palette. This comes with 10 really, really beautiful shades, kind of like gemstone vibes. So the packaging says, let your eyes shine even brighter. I mean, I want that. Do you? Lots of very fun shades in here. Perfect for date night. Perfect for Raiding Area 51, Halloween, a seance, stealing the Declaration of Independence. Perfect for slashing your ex-boyfriend's tires. These are really like out of this world, spooky alien colors, and I'm here for it. I love E.T. So these shadows are great. They're super creamy, really rich color payoff. They're really good for mixing together or picking one out and kind of doing it all over the lid. So many of these are duochrome. They kind of give you 2 different colors at once. So keep them guessing, you know? Go out in the sun, your eyes are one color, go inside, they're another. Best of all, cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, free of the bads, filled with the goods. And now we have the Sorbus Makeup Organizer. This is the ultimate way to maintain your makeup collection and display it in a really lovely aesthetic way. There's 2 larger compartments here. There's these little makeup lipstick slots. This back row, I like to do like face palettes so that it can kind of sift through them like I'm in a little library. And then here's your little miscellaneous tray. You figure it out, you make it your own. This one is made of really high quality acrylic. I can do one of these. ASMR. It's also super easy to clean. You can literally just take any kind of a wipe or anything, wash it off, a little bit of water. Easy. Clean, organize, put together again. You're doing great, sweetie. Thank you so much, Sorbus Acrylic Makeup Organizer, for making me look minimalist, when truly, I'm a maximalist to a very high degree. Next up, we have the Laura Geller High Def Glow Illuminating Duo. How do I do this like an influencer? Hire me. This is a really beautiful duo of highlighters. So you have one shade that's a little bit more of that kind of satiny, more natural highlight, and then you have a more kind of chunky, glittery, kind of in-your-face statement highlight. So this gives a radiant, buildable glow. It's good for all skin types. It's really going to create kind of dimension to your face. How I would use a highlight is on the high points of my face. Highlight high points, easy to remember. I like to just glow. Maybe a little bit of shoulder highlight if you're feeling sassy. Who knows? Maybe your legs, I don't know. That's a new thing now. Kim Kardashian does that, I just learned. Commitment. I've seen some people do their nose, maybe highlight your toes. If you're wearing fingerless gloves, maybe just the tips of your fingers, maybe the ends of your hair. Options are limitless, endless. Please, someone stop me. I wanna do like a flip. I wanna make it like as dramatic as possible. Hold on. All right, and now we have the Kensie Vanity mirror. This is the perfect mirror for doing your makeup, keeping it at your vanity, taking it on travel, vacation, whatever. No matter where you are, what the lighting's like, your makeup can look fresh to death. So this rotates 180 degrees. I love a mirror that I can travel with so that I can give myself pep talks. Help. I can give myself pep talks wherever I go. Sometimes you just need like a little midday confidence boost. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the best Faves host of them all? It also has these LED lights, so you just go ahead and tap it on and off. It has this nice little tray, so you can keep some makeup setting out there. So the base is removable, so it's super easy to travel with. It's not gonna take up a ton of space in your luggage. You can just go ahead and take it off. All right, there you have it. Those are 5 of FabFitFun's makeup maintenance faves, all shoppable in the edit sale. Make sure to visit fabfitfun.com/edit. Shop now. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see in the mirror. Let me know what your favorite shade is. Let me know what you would wear that makeup palette to. Let me know everything. Love you guys. XOXO. Gossip Geena. Whoa, it really, Select member 29th to April 21st. That's usable, right? That was perfect.